This video shows starting with a new template on the engineering cost estimation tool. I just opened this up and I want to initially save it for my program, so I will do a file, save as, and instead of calling it a template, let's say this is a program, let's say it's P55, and this is going to be version 1. If you recall, this number that's highlighted here is the version of the template. This version here is the version for P55, and it's 1. So we'll hit save, and here we go. So the template is basically set up as these top rows. This is the dashboard area, which shows information where you can enter in or get data. These rows here show the title of the columns. If you want to set a default value, it's here, and here's the row that you'll see when you insert a column. So row. So right now we'll insert a new row, and you'll see a new row inserts is colored as green, and I will overwrite this information. Right now I'll enter in a material, and this is let's say this is a tube 01. I hit the tab. This is a material not requested yet. I can enter in the vendor name. There's a lot of information. The items with a red star is required. Vendor XYZ. Part number 123. And I'm going to keep hitting the tab. Now I'm going to scroll over. I want 2 of these tubes, and they're $10 each. It'll set all the values. If this is a program, I could select the value or overwrite it by just typing in, keying it in. Right now we don't have a commit because there's no actuals. We're going to purchase this in 2018. We could select another year. This is a there's various values. This is a material only. We're going to purchase this on a program. I want to also change the default to program, and then we'll slide over, and now you show the full value over here in the 1 of 4 reports. I'm going to scroll back to the left. Let's say our total potential value is 250K, but right now we're only funded for 100K, so I can enter those numbers in. If my current plan value, which is based on all the totals in this row, exceed that number, it'll change, turn red, and give you a new value, a new color. So let's say actually we decided to purchase this thing, and it's in the buyer's queue. Someone's working on it to purchase it. They finally get a PO 654, and the PO has been issued. We're going to change that to PCOM, which is purchase order issue. I'm going to correct this height by hitting the auto row height. This dollar amount now shows up in here as the total of the commits and actuals. So here's the 5587, and I'm going to scroll across, and you'll see there's a lot of calculations. Here's the 5587, and that also shows up here in the report. If you want to switch to the print summary, it now also shows up in the materials report as 5587 fully burdened, or the pre-tax of 20. I'm going to go back to the data entry tab. So I'm going to shorten this up and add a whole bunch more of items and show you how to build a bomb.